YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks and getting ready to do a lot of yard work. I already threw down some gravel. The wife is on vacation and the kids are at my mother-in-law's, so it's time to get stuff done. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. Let me step over here. So I cut down a bunch of brush and it's not really safe to burn that much stuff that I've cut up. I have all these like little hedge type trees over here, just garbage. I don't need it. I don't want to burn it now. So guess what? Let's rent this chipper. Went to the local rental place, CCM Rentals here in Northeast Ohio, and rented this unit. It's a 6-inch unit, the Vermeer BC 600 XL, and they already fired it up for me. This thing sounds like it's going to do the trick great. Most of the stuff I have is all under 4 inches. So let's get this thing over in position, kind of over behind the house. Take a look at the piles we got going on here. All right, so these are the sticks, some of the stumps sticking up out of the ground that I'm going to rip out with the tractor later on. Some we've already taken out, but see, there's all this scrubby stuff. We want to clean up all this so we can enjoy the view from the new deck that we had put on the back of the house. We love it. It's awesome. The sunset's just over here, so we really want to be able to enjoy this view and see to the other wood line. Let's get a better look at these piles. All right, so here are the piles that we got going on. Here's the main piles. So I already kind of pre-stacked, pre-cut. You don't want to be trying to stack it and cut it as you got the chipper going, because it's got an hour meter on it, so we want to maximize the time here. So that being said, I'm going to go get that thing set up, get it in a spot, and start cutting. All right, I went ahead and ran this first, actually. Went through a quick little bit just so I was 100% familiarized with this. So, recommendations. Get a bunch of your sticks laid out, bottom side facing the machine so you can feed them in. So I got a bunch of these laid out. Other recommendations after operating this, it can handle up to a 6-inch log. If you put, trying to find a good example here. Well, this will be a small version, but even something so small as this. No, that one I already cut it. Originally this was here. If it has like a 90-degree bend off, that counts as like the width. It can get hung up on that. Then you got to kind of force it through or reverse it on it. So keep in mind, watch on some of these, and then other ones where maybe say in there where there's like a Y, it doesn't like those either. So I got the Stihl MS-194T top handle saw that I got sitting side by right here, just to cut up anything to make sure it passes through. But yeah, I'm gonna get the GoPro on my head and let's go ahead and start feeding this things. All right, so a couple quick pointers that I've learned in my experience using this real quick. Well, first, I should have mentioned earlier too that these red bars here and on the top, they are your, if something's gone wrong, something's grabbed your sleeve, something's grabbed your arm, to stop from sending yourself through this thing. You'll hit those, it stops the drive so that you do not go through. Secondly, with that being said, don't put yourself in that area. I don't even let myself really put my hands much past this chute. The sheet metal chutes, the actual, like the funnel area, I'll call it. Don't even think about it. Don't disengage it. It has like a reverse feed so that you're not putting yourself in there. Safety first. That being said, also hearing protection. This thing is a demon with how loud it is, and this isn't even that big of a model. This is only 25 horsepower. The next one up is like 80 some horsepower and probably screams, and I don't even want to think about what the big diesel ones probably do. But yeah, this is a gasoline one. Overall, super happy with how it's been going with it. Just takes a little bit of thinking, like I said, washing some of the pieces, making sure that it's not going to get jammed. But I'm going to go ahead and get another group of these staged, and I don't know, I might just do something on the end. We'll see how froggy I am. So All right, YouTube, so that ends that. You know, the chipper was a rental unit, so got to go clean it up, hit it with the leaf blower, and then spray off the wheels because I drug it out here in the mud a little bit. But want to return it clean, got to fill up the tank with gas for them and stuff. So as always, it's been awesome. If you guys are new, please subscribe, and I will talk to everyone again soon.